Thunderbolt II, is one of the most fearsome aircraft owned by the U.S. Air Force. Due to its aggressive look, Thunderbolt II is popularly known as the A-10 Warthog. It is the primary close air support aircraft of the Air Force. A-10 Warthog took its maiden flight in October 1975 and has received several upgrades over the years. The Warthog is known for its excellent maneuverability at high speeds, as well as low altitude. This amazing warplane can fly over the battlefield for longer durations and operate in low visibility conditions as well. However, what makes it more fearsome is the 30mm Gatling gun mounted on its nose, giving it an aggressive look. This gun can fire 3,900 bullets per minute. The mounted GAU-8 gun is designed to fire armor-piercing and highly explosive rounds, which can easily demolish any armored tank of the enemy. From 4,000 feet above the ground, the aircraft can precisely strike within 40 feet of its target. Not only is the A-10 Warthog good at attacking enemies, it can sufficiently defend itself as well. The aircraft can survive direct hits from armor-piercing and high-explosive projectiles up to 23mm. Because of its excellent close air support, the A-10 Warthog is considered infantry's best friend. It is estimated that the behemoth warplane will remain in service till 2028.